Dolphins are intelligent, inquisitive, playful creatures who have captivated people since the dawn of time. Having to adapt to life in the harsh ocean environment requires some serious skills. As a result, dolphins have developed some incredible abilities that continue to amaze researchers. Respiration. The bottlenose can hold its breath for 12 minutes and dive nearly 550 meters, which is around 1,800 feet. Part of the reason dolphins can do this is because they've got incredible lungs. Though they aren't much bigger than our own, they're much more efficient. Skin. Dolphins' unique skin gives them all kinds of advantages. Their epidermis is no tougher than ours. It is about 10 to 20 times thicker than any land animal. It also grows about 9 times faster than ours. An entire layer of skin is replaced every 2 hours. The real secret of why dolphins are so clean is that they secrete a special gel, which resists the mucus that barnacles and their ilk cling on with. Vision. They can see behind themselves, and each eye can move independently of the other, meaning they can look 2 different directions at the same time. They also have a reflective layer of cells just behind the retina called the tapetum lucidum. This helps them to see exceptionally well in low light. Dolphins can see just as well out of the water as in it. Sleeplessness. Baby dolphins actually forego sleep for the first month of life, and so therefore do their parents. The trick is that these amazing sea creatures can shut half of their brain off at a time. Studies showed that dolphins can use their sonar for 15 days straight with almost perfect accuracy. Healing. Dolphin healing looks impossible. Seriously, scientific opinion can be summed up as its healing is alien compared to what we are capable of. They don't just heal, they regenerate. Dolphins don't bleed either. It is believed dolphins use the same mechanics that enable them to dive to great depths to help them constrict blood vessels and stem the flow. Pain. After receiving crippling injuries that would incapacitate just about any other creature on Earth, dolphins have been observed playing, swimming, and feeding normally. Dolphins are just as sensitive as we are, but when inflicted with a serious wound, they shrug it off. It's believed they must be able to produce natural morphine, which is strong painkiller, that, in this case, is non-addictive, since predators go after the weak. Not showing pain or distress makes evolutionary sense. Thrust. Olympic swimmers can produce about 60 or 70 pounds of thrust in the water. A dolphin moving at average speed hits 200. Swimming at full tilt, these aquatic speed demons can produce 300 to 400 pounds of thrust. Dolphins, on the other hand, can turn 80% of their energy into thrust, making them some of the most efficient swimmers in the ocean. Infection. Dolphins are able to swim with open wounds in the bacteria-riddled ocean and not die of infection. In fact, they won't get any infection at all, which has been described as no less than miraculous. Magnetic sense. Dolphins and whales have magnetite crystals in their brain to help them sense the magnetic field of the Earth. With this built-in GPS, they can navigate the featureless oceans with ease. When the sun throws too much radiation our way, it also screws up the magnetic senses of aquatic mammals. This might explain why rescued dolphins and whales will often turn around and strand themselves again. Electroreception. Dolphins can actually sense the electrical impulses given off by all living things. Researchers discovered a depression on their rostrum that can detect electrical impulses given off by the muscles of fish. Sonar is great for detecting objects at a distance, but not so much when you get up too close.